Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-350 Lariat. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, spare tire kit, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and cruise control.